prefer my Christmas lights reflect onto my house from the bottom of my roof line instead of the top, which is easy to create at the roof line, but not under the gutters. So this is what I did to resolve that.
Okay, here's where my eave meets my gutter, and hopefully you can see that where the screw goes through the gutter and into the edge of the eaves. I just wrapped a zip tie around it and had it end at the edge of the metal gutter. And yes, I need to clean my gutter bottoms.
I just take a bread tie or something similar and wrap it around the side of the lights that have the most tension, the tight part. Twist, and then let go to see how much slack. A little bit is okay because we can pull it tight on the next one. And then I wanted to show this option with a rubber band. So just fold the rubber band in half over the zip tie and then pull one half of the rubber band through the other half. So you've got this loop there, and then you're just going to loop this across the light. And this would work great if you had those tiny little rubber bands for little, little kids' hair.
And there we have it, without having to put anything permanent or those little plastic clips on the edge of the gutter, because I like mine to run across the bottom. There's the rubber band, which I'll probably replace with either a tighter rubber band if I had one, or the bread ties, which are free, so I like that. Make sure there's something solid to shore it up on the very end, and I use a picture hook there. I forgot to mention that I leave the zip tie portion up all year, so that the next year they're ready for just the bread ties.
There we have it. I'm not sure if this will be useful for anyone else, but it worked well for me, so I thought I'd put it out there. And have a blessed Christmas. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a blessed day.